This video is meant to cover ExtremePOS store server settings. ExtremePOS store server will run at each location for an enterprise user. There will be one copy running at each location, and it will be running on the server computer. The first setting is the database server. In most cases, this will be the /ExtremePOS instance, but you can change it if necessary. The store server port is the port of the computer on which ExtremePOS store server will be running. You can change this if you need to for your internet provider's requirements. Store ID will be the ID of the store at which you're located. It needs to match both the settings at corporate and the settings within ExtremePOS. If you've forgotten what your setting within ExtremePOS is, you can view that from the company info tab of options. In the event that you need to change it, you will need to contact ExtremePOS support, but you'll have to set it to match here. The corporate IP address is the server name or the IP address of the corporate server. The corporate server port is the port that corp server is running on. It will need to match what you have set at corporate. The enterprise username and password are case sensitive. They will need to match what you have at corporate. The server certificate is a file that you will need to have at each location. It will need to match the file at corporate, and it will have a password as well. The database backup directory is where backups of your enterprise database will go. You may change it here, or you can leave it at the default. The synchronize data with corporate and send store information to corporate are how you set the interval at which information will be brought in from corporate and sent to corporate on an automatic basis. For more information on this, see the general ExtremePOS store server video. Finally, tax 1, 2, and 3 are the default tax rates for items coming in from corporate. Whether an item is taxed by which rate is not something managed by corporate, for the simple reason that different stores may be in different locations where things need to be handled differently. Hit save to save any changes you've made, or cancel to cancel, and that's pretty much it.